Hi, today I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Replit. So first, deploy your project on Replit. Open your Replit project and go to the Deployments tab. So this will be just right here. Deploy your project to enable custom domain options. After you do this, you'll have to basically add your Namecheap domain in Replit. So in the deployment dashboard, choose to add a custom domain. You will see it just right here. Enter your domain, that is, for example, yourdomain.com, and Replit will provide a record and txt record. Copy them, then update the DNS records on Namecheap. So log into your Namecheap account, go to domain list, click manage for your domain and open the advanced DNS tab. Add the DNS records like a records and txt record. After you do this, save the changes and wait for DNS propagation. It can take a few minutes to up to 48 hours. Then verify and reactivate in Replit. So return to Replit after doing this and click the verify or link in the custom domain setup that will be just right here. Once done, your Namecheap domain will serve your Replit app with SSL enabled. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.